At night, Hello Kitty and her good friends gather to watch the stars together. A cool breeze sweeps through, making them feel a bit chilly, but luckily, they are wearing beautiful capes. As they stroll along the path, they unexpectedly discover several fallen stars among the grass. The stars emit a soft and enchanting light. They are very excited and carefully cradle the stars in their arms. The warm glow instantly dispels the coldness of the night. To commemorate this magical moment, they take out a camera and capture a beautiful photo. In the photo, their faces are filled with incomparable happiness, and the stars in their arms seem like the most precious treasures. You can watch more videos on babygames.com. This night becomes exceptionally beautiful with the company of the stars. Hello Kitty and her friends know that this will be the most unforgettable memory of their lives.